Bad opinions. How to play. The object of the game is to be the first player to earn 7 or more points. Shuffle the topic cards and deal 5 to each player. Players look at their own cards but keep them hidden from others. Place the rest of the topic deck face down in the middle of the table. Give each player an A and B voting card and 1 interrupt card. Put the Rantmaster B card in the middle of the table and give the Rantmaster A card to the oldest player. The player with the Rantmaster A card goes first, then play proceeds clockwise. On your turn, pick a topic card from your hand and play it to the table, reading it aloud. Then give your opinion on that topic. Your stated opinion may be as long or short as you want, and there is no limit nor requirement to how the opinion is given. Once finished, the next player clockwise from you either claims the Rantmaster B card or passes. If they pass, then the option goes to the next player until it gets back to you or someone takes the Rantmaster B card. At any time during this process, any player besides you may play their interrupt card to take the Rantmaster B card. Put the played interrupt card in the box. It may not be used again. If multiple players try to interrupt, then whoever takes it first gets it. Whoever takes the Rantmaster B card must now give their opinion on either what Rantmaster A said about the topic, or they may give an entirely new opinion about the topic. Once finished, everyone else votes for the opinion they prefer by placing their matching vote card face down on the table. Once everyone is ready, all the votes are revealed and the Rantmaster with the most votes receives 2 points, recording them on the scorepad. Then every player who voted in the majority scores 1 point. If the vote is a tie, then both Rantmasters each score 1 point instead, and everyone else scores none. If all the players pass on the opinion, so that no player picks up the Rantmaster B card, then the Rantmaster A receives 2 points and all the other players receive 0. After scoring points, the turn is over. Everyone takes their vote cards back, return the Rantmaster B card to the middle of the table, and discard the topic card. The player who was Rantmaster A draws a replacement card from the deck, then gives their Rantmaster A card to the next player in turn order. Then that player takes a turn. Repeat this process until one player has 7 or more points. Then that player is the winner. If it is a tie, then keep playing until there is only one winner.